Hello everyone, I am Somchai, a senior customer support engineer from a CM compressor industry in Thailand. And today I'm really excited. Our new compressor is now ready for the VRF application. This compressor is really specially designed to match the APF standard. Let's see what we have here. Today I will go on the APF information just a little bit, then we will move to the compressor key technology that contribute to APF standard. So let me give you briefly overview of the VRF application. VRF is short form variable refrigerant flow. It means that the refrigerant is going to be variable in the system. For more explanation, VRF is an air conditioning system which is consisting of one or multiple outdoor units coupled with multiple indoor units. VRF system is an excellent choice to meet both peak and part load demand in multi-use zone, and it has been supplied into two main different types. One is the heat pump. Heat pump allows heating or cooling in or indoor unit but not simultaneously heating and cooling. And the other one is the heat recovery system. Allow heating and cooling in or indoor unit terminal devices simultaneously. And today we will focus only on the heat pump. Like any other air conditioner, APF is an energy efficiency standard. APF is the standard for the VRF heat pump in the air-cooled type. APF is short form annual performance factor, and it was generated by collecting data from working hours of the office and the rental shop building in Beijing, in China. APF was separated into three levels, which is different cooling capacity as shown in the table. For example, cooling capacity lower than 14,000 watts is 3.6 for the level 3, 4.35 for the level 2, and 4.9 for the level 1. And of course, the level 1 is the best here. Back to year 2004-2014 in China has been using IPLV standard to declare the energy level. After then changed to use the APF standard to declare the energy level. Comparing two of them as the same air conditioner device, IPLV was in the level 1. If we test for the APF, you got only level 2. So, mean that if we want to get level 1 in the APF, you need to do something in your unit. And we already did it for you by our compressor. So but how is a compressor contribute APF to get you a better APF standard? So keep in mind that our compressor is the high pressure shell. You may feel the heat when it's operating. And here is the technology that can bring you get a better APF standard. The first one is the new motor design. We have a new motor design that's special for the APF compressor. And we got a dual injection, which is introducing compressor with two injection ports. With the two injection port, our compressor can got a very massive refrigerant flow. And the clear line matching technique, the more narrow in the score teach distance between fixed orbiting score, the more the refrigerant can flow in the system. And another, I will proud to present that compliant frame mechanism, which is belong to Mr. Vichy pattern structure. And let's see what is work together. With the dual injection, our compressor for APF standard has equipped with a dual injection design, which is provide more stability or increase the capacity in the same speed, less degree, and less power consumption. So when we talk about the injection, you will see the red line in the pH diagram. The dual injection is extend the stop cooling life and provide you more capacity even the compressor is running at the same speed, which lead to get a better COP. The right hand side graph is the injection capacity comparison, and we got up to 70% more in the injection capacity comparing to no injection compressor. With the motor improvement, our new motor design that contribute more APF level. Our new motor is made from rare earth magnet inside that provide a higher motor efficiency. Generally, score compressor components are consist of very high precision parts. If we look deeply into the compression part, fix an orbiting score. The clearance between tips of the score can cause leak in compressing process, which lead to get a lower efficiency. So, with the clearance matching technique, we match the fixed and orbiting score that will form a smaller gap that score compressor can get a higher efficiency. We get more 3% in the very low temperature condition, and we got 5% more in the normal cold temperature. Flame compliant mechanism. When compressor operating at the when the compressor is operating, the part called compliant flame will be lit up by the first back pressure as shown in the picture. Then they push the orbiting score up to zero and make refrigerant compress in the compression chamber. This Mitsubishi pattern provides proper transport, not too harsh and not too weak that it should be. The compressor can get longer reliability and good stable performance. ACI compressor structure work together with the dual injection port. This technique allows higher stable compression because the injection force of the dual injection will be balanced the two sides of the orbiting score, unlike a single injection. This provides smoother refrigerant flow and gives us more reliability and efficiency. So with old technology that combined in a new generation of compressor for the VRF, lead ACI compressor provide better APF level than normal. We have tested our compressor to declare the APF level 1 for the 8 horsepower capacity, and we did it. If you are looking for high performance in your VRF system, ACI compressor is your answer. Thank you very much.
Wow, thank you so much for your presentations. I think it's clear and easy to understand and follow. So right now, the energy rating level has changed from the IPLV to the APF, and with the new design of ACI compressors, it will be easier for the customer to achieve the new energy level, the APF rate. So for the first question here, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So for the VRF applications, do you have any compressor in a bigger size?
Oh yes, of course we have. Like I mentioned in the presentation, we got 8 horsepower, and actually we got 8 horsepower until 22 horsepower. But moreover, if you make it tandem or pull-out compressor, you can get more 44 horsepower.
All right. So it's up to 22 horsepower, and you can tandem it to get more capacity. For the next questions, it will be about the injection. So the dual injection is very new to the market, but it surely needs a bigger economizer. So do you think this will be suitable for the VRF application, the dual injection?
Yeah, absolutely yes with this question. Like I make a presentation in my presentation. The dual injection is about balancing the force that project to the two sides of the orbiting score.
Right.
That can make a compressor provide a smoother performance. With this also the refrigerant flow is got very massive, quite massive. So it is break out the limitation of the injection mass flow. With this you can play with your size of economizer until satisfy your design.
Right. So with a proper design or proper adjustment, you will get, more from your system. Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, for this question, so you have mentioned earlier about the bigger site that we have 22 horsepower. So do we have any plan to develop or to launch the bigger size capacity?
Actually, we already did it, but it's in developing state. Yeah.
All right. So in the future, we will come with a bigger capacity, right? All right. Oh, these questions. Please answer this question, and I think you will answer it well. So, since ACI is based in Thailand, so how do we cover the support for the customer in other regions?
Actually, ACI got many customers aboard all over around the world. And ACI is not only priority in the new product development, we also prioritize in the supporting customer also. So right nowadays in COVID situation, we got an on-ride support and our like guideline and video and manual that using our compressor. And in the normal situation, not in the COVID situation like this, we can fly to your site, or maybe you can fly back to our site that we can make a project go on. Even right now, we also have our engineer in the China, also in the Qingdao and the Guangzhou. Also, we also have the support engineer in Germany too.
Oh, yes. Right. So, like what you have just mentioned, apart from the R&D, we also put our priority in the customer support, right? Like Mr. Somchai, right?
Oh yes.
yeah. About the customer support is our the top priority. So, thank you so much for your answer. I think it's clear and cover so many areas, not only the performance, the energy level rating, but also the support that we can give you. And thank you so much again for such a clear answer on every single question. So if you have any further questions, so you can leave that in the live chat, and our engineer will get back to you real soon. So see you with the next presenter. We'll be right back. Thank you.